Hey everybody there, Charles Robbins here, your local real estate expert serving the Fox cities in Northeast Wisconsin. How are y'all doing today? In today's video, I wanted to cover how to prepare your home for an open house. First steps into getting your house ready is to go ahead and make sure you clean out all doorways, making sure there's no spider webs, making sure that everything looks tidy. Look at the bushes outside. Do they need trimming? Does the grass need to be cut, etc.? Because when people first pull up to the property, that's the first thing that they're going to see. First impressions do mean a lot because we do want the people to come into the house. So that'll be step one. Just make sure everything's tidied up outside. Next, to go around the house, make sure that there's no loose items sitting around the home. If there is, pick them up, put them in a plastic storage bin, put them away, put them in the closet, and then after the open house, you can always pull it back out and go about your day. Because loose items everywhere could mean to the buyer that maybe you don't have enough space. So we definitely don't want any of those items out as well. Number two, make sure all lights are on in the property, so it's when buyers are walking through, they can go into a nice bright room. So open up all the blinds, make sure everything looks bright and roomy. If you got too much furniture in a room, try removing some of it to make rooms look bigger, etc. Because we want the home to feel inviting. Another thing you do is also get some soft music, have it playing in the background. So this way when buyers walk through, it just gives them that relaxing feeling of being in the home. Another thing to do, prepare for an open house, maybe having some cookies made. Make it feel real welcoming when a buyer comes through, and they can just get that smell of cookies, making it feel more like home as well. Other thing you can do, prepare for your open house, is have sign-in sheets ready, so when buyers walk in, you can get their information, and then you have a way to follow up with them after the open house, get any feedback and stuff like that, just to kind of see where your home stands in buyers' eyes to see if you're priced correctly, etc. Holding an open house can be very, very successful, so you definitely want to drive as much traffic to the open house as possible. So getting out there and doing some advertising on Facebook and doing an open house ad to make people aware of the open house is another great tip. Another great thing too is put out tons of signage in the neighborhood so people can find the open house from busy intersections, getting to the open house, and so forth. And with all these great tips, if you're able to do them, it's going to lead to a very successful open house and multiple buyers coming through, and maybe you can get the buyer who buys your home right there at that property. If you like this video and you'd like to subscribe, hit subscribe below. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, definitely reach out to me at 920-279-5936, or you can just put a comment right below as well. I do look forward to hearing from you guys. We'll talk soon. Bye now.